What's crack everyone's Connor here. So I'm just going to do a quick video, okay? I'm outside George Entry here, just off Ann Street. I showed you this sort of stuff last year, but each year at Joy's Entry get the guys at Rebel events to put on a bit of a Christmas display down the entry and spruce it up just in time for Christmas time. So this year is no different and it looks class this year. I'll show you sort of pop on the screen what the previous two entries look like. So there's one from 2020 and there's the one from last year. But this one looks, I think, just as nice, if not nicer than other ones. A bit more like classy and like traditional sort of sense. Like it's gold, and you can sort of see it in the background there. If you haven't been, Henry's and the Jailhouse are fantastic bars as well. So let's just show you what this looks like. So big reveal coming. So here we go in 3, 2, 1. And here is the entry itself. And it's sponsored by Schweppes as always. But how class does this look? Super Christmassy and super cheerful. Do a really good job, the guys at Rebel events each year. You can see how much sort of effort they've put into it, and it's absolutely free of charge, of course. No entry to come see this, just down the Belfast entries and Joy's Entry here. I'll show you it from the other end and sort of just keep it nice and neat and tidy around here. Some of the alleys are looking a wee bit worse for wear, but Joy's Entry and the likes are usually fantastic looking. So here is a little showing of what Joy's Entry looks like. So come down here for photos. I'd recommend coming down during the day or maybe the week because it's a little bit easier to get your photos in. But congratulations again to the guys at Henderson Jailhouse and Clover Group for doing such a bang up job on the entries once again. So come down and see this when you can. It's going to be here the length of December.